Hello and welcome. It is the 15th day of December 2016. Welcome to the Silver Charts channel. It's a down day today of a little over 6%, breaking down barely below the 16 handle. Thus, we could now say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lower highs in a row. And this is already now a lower low from this point. Price action is currently in at this key Fibonacci point, which is in at, okay, a little small computer bug. It's in at around, my memorization is not good, but it's obviously 16 and low change. 1512 exact is the lower Fibonacci if there is more continuous downside movement. Now, this all started with the Fed speaking, and well, that's always going to be a trigger for the big moves to happen. Technically speaking, when I talk about key levels go, it could take a short time to get to a level, a fast time, and this was a short time to have a retest of this previous support mark. So now resistance is going to be in this area if it bottoms out now, because it could very easily make a matching low, higher low, or lower high, highly probable. And then on a situation coming back down lower, well, reducing the odds of it being support. Thus, okay, 1512 is now coming into play as the next level. I did a search for one team, one dream to get Bloomberg. Surprisingly, now this shocked me. The move going down $1. Again, I've seen it time and time again. But for Bloomberg to put an article about this where you are short, right? Ha ha ha. We are one team, one dream. Therefore, when I see this and I look at this move, this looks like this was a one team, one dream kind of play it again kind of deal. Were they short? Of course. We knew that they were. And the question is, will this type of information lead to anything? It could, and it could not. And why I say the whole not is September 11th, over a decade ago, it comes into light of what happens, and a decade later, nothing new except for more stronger information. That could be the case again with this. If the Federal Reserve and that type of such is involved in the one team, one dream, I highly don't expect this type of stuff here to be moving anywhere near where we would want it to, as far as the end of the silver manipulation, of course, as we know it. And so the key levels 15, 12, they probably would know this type of stuff too, and would have maybe plans of, okay, no, I don't want to go into there. But what I do want to talk about is I would be very interested to see how they work networkally within the gold markets, obviously the currency markets, because the U.S. dollar had a huge gain against the euro and the Canadian dollar today. I mean, it fell pretty bad, going down to 21 and a half Canadian, 15 and 2/5 euro, and the gold to silver ratio back up to 70. Now, overall, of course, since this point here, the gold to silver ratio has gone lower because gold is at levels since late January. Now, silver is at levels since May. But still, obviously, we had all these lower highs to come into play, and it's another leg lower within this bear market. So the lowest, not gonna say the lowest, but the most probable deep move down is to $15.12, and we'd be looking next for this level to be a resistance area move. Of course, if it has a significant break below this, which it hasn't yet as of now, it's technically a lower low, but really it's a matching low to this. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day.